Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. The laser vision module must be enabled, and you need the optic implant equipped with power above 50%. Once done, make sure version 1.4 or later is installed because earlier builds behave differently. Next, calibrate the targeting reticle to 5 degrees for accurate aim. This reduces drift. Then bind the laser vision to a quick activate hotkey so you can toggle instantly in combat. These initial steps put you into the activation flow without wasting time. You now enter the core execution. Activate laser vision in short bursts to acquire lock because continuous fire drains power quickly. Once locked, use a 3-shot burst pattern to conserve energy while maintaining damage. For accuracy, adjust range attenuation. Set 30 meters for indoor skirmishes and 120 meters for outdoor sniping, so beam spread matches the environment. Make sure to watch the power HUD and pause scanning when it hits 20% to trigger auto-recharge. This keeps you from being caught power. You finish by performing a final sweep. Confirm target neutralization, then retract the beam immediately to save roughly 90% of remaining power. Once combat is over, recalibrate the reticle if you experienced heavy recoil or engaged more than 3 targets, because alignment can drift. If laser vision fails to lock, troubleshoot by resetting the module, cycle power, re-enable the optic implant, and rebind the activation key. This simple reset solves most lock failures. Then resume normal operation and conserve energy between engagements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.